What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the Pedal Commander. Before I get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and share this video. It really helps me out a lot. I'm trying to get this channel to grow a little bit more, to get a little bit more of a following, and y'all doing that really helps, and I really appreciate it. With that out of the way, let's get into the review. On paper, the idea of changing the foot mapping of the pedal to give more gas and more throttle when you press the throttle down less seems like a good idea. And that's what I thought when I purchased it. I felt that by doing that, it may feel like the truck has a little bit more power. With this installed, all you're doing is making the truck lurch off from stop, and that's it. On the highway, there's no difference when you floor it. There's no difference when you're trying to get onto the highway and get up to speed. And it really only makes a difference in stop and go traffic, and I found that it makes the truck uncomfortable to drive. With this on, you end up being very cautious of how much you press down the throttle, which makes it more difficult to drive the truck than it previously was. So what I found with this is that it's fairly gimmicky. It's kind of fun for a few months, and it's still fun when you tweak the settings, but it's really a joke. So if you buy it, don't expect it to be doing much use. It's really just kind of a gimmicky thing that you play with just to have a little bit of fun when you're driving. So would I recommend it? If you have the extra money laying around and you want to put it into your truck, why not get it? I mean, it's fun, it's kind of cool, but it is not necessary. It won't make your truck feel any faster. If you really want to make it feel faster, maybe do a tune. I don't know. I mean, there's not much you can do to these trucks to make them feel any faster. The second gens, you can put superchargers on, and obviously that's a completely different ballpark than this, but it would actually add power. So do not go into this buying it expecting to make your truck any faster or really feel much faster. When you buy this, you're putting on a toy that makes your truck a little bit more fun to drive. And so the truck is more fun to drive. I do like it. I'm not going to be taking it off. It's fun to leave there, and when I get bored driving, I do like to tweak with it. So I hope that my view on it gave you an idea of whether or not you're going to end up purchasing this. If you do want to purchase this, I'll be leaving a link in the description below to make it easy for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on post notifications. Like I said, it really does help me out, and it helps this channel grow. Feel free to browse any of my videos. I have the installation of this on my channel. I'll link to that in the description as well. Thanks for watching.